Hello besties, I'm here to make a fruit juice. Fruit juice with cucumber, apple and other fruits and vegetables. The fruit juice is good for our health and our skin. It makes the skin glow, it detoxifies the system and so many more. So guys, let's go and make it. You're going to wash it very well, and if you're using a blender, you blend it in your blender, and if you are using a juicer, just extract the juice. So when it's ready, you mix it, and that's all. You can see it ready here, and I just pour it in a jug. Then after a while, pour a little in a glass cup and put few ice cube and pour it in the smoothie, and the smoothie is ready. It's very very good for your skin, for a good healthy glowing skin, and also detoxification. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and set notification. Thank you, I love you. Thanks for watching. If you want me to draw more tips like this, please kindly like and comment. Let me know your views on this. Thank you, I love you.